Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can use your LG remote control to navigate around the menu system on your PS5. So there are two settings which we can change. There's one on the PS5 and one on the TV. So one for PS5, let's start here. So grab your PS5 controller and go to settings, which is along the top row, just towards the right. Enter that. Then go down to System, then down to HDMI. Just here we have Enable HDMI Device Link. Just click that to toggle that on. Now grab your remote control and give it a try. If you have success, that's great. Mission accomplished. If not, what we can do is change a setting on the TV. Let's go there now. On the TV, we go to Settings, then All Settings. Next, we go to General, then Devices, HDMI Settings, and we just make sure this is enabled. Simplink, HDMI CEC. Make sure that's enabled, then go back to your PS5 and you'll find that your LG remote control is working and you can navigate the menu system. So I hope you found this video useful. Really appreciate if you can give it a quick thumbs up and be sure to check out my channel and also the LG playlist I have there. Thanks very much for watching my video and I wish you a great day ahead.